Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'll be sharing with you that how you can create this makeup look. And I have used all the Lakme products since this is a one brand tutorial, and this look is perfect for a nighttime get together look or a nighttime party makeup look. So if you want to know more, then please keep on watching. So at first I'll be moisturizing my face with using the Lakme Peach Milk Moisturizer. It is a very nice moisturizer. I really love using this, and since I don't use a primer on daily basis, so I'm not using, and I'm simply moisturizing to prep my skin for the foundation that is coming up next. For my foundation, I'm using my all-time favorite Lakme Perfect Radiance foundation, and I'm in the shade Natural Pearl. And I would be blending it out with the help of a flat top kabuki brush. I love the feel that how it blends really nicely with a flat top kabuki brush, but you can also use a beauty blender if you wish to. And I will be all blending it out on the face as well as on the neck, and wherever I need more coverage, like under eye circles and on the bridge of my nose and on my forehead and on my chin, I will be dotting it a little extra, and then also I'll be blending it out with a damp beauty blender. And as you can see, it is all blended nicely and I have a nice coverage. And now I'll be setting it all with the Lakme Radiance Compact, and I'm in the shade Natural Pearl in this as well. And with the fluffy brush, I'm just setting my entire face, since I don't want my foundation to crease or anything. And now using the Lakme Rose Powder, I'm simply baking my under eyes, since we'll be working on with eyeshadows, and Lakme eyeshadows are a bit of powdery and they do have some fallout, so I'll simply be baking my under eyes. And for my eyeshadows, I'm using the Lakme Absolute Pearl eyeshadows, and since they're a little low on pigmentation, so I'm just dampening my brush a little bit with the help of water. And the shade I'm using is Smoky Pearl. This is a nice blue color with having a shimmer to it, sheen to it. So I'm using this onto my crease line and on the outer V of my lid. As you can see, I'm just blending it well to create the depth and the intensity that I need for my eyeshadows. And now I'm using another shade, that is the Peach Pearl, but this is not like a peach shade. This is more of a minty and a frosty kind of a shade. So I'm just putting it on the half of my lid, starting from the inner corner of my eyelid, mimicking the same on my other eyelid as well. And now to build up more intensity, I'm taking the blue shadow again, which was in the shade Smoky Pearl. And now using the Lakme Kajal, I'm simply doing my eyebrows, since I don't have an eyebrow pencil and this works really fine. So since this is black in color, I don't want those very high eyebrows, so I'm just using it with an angled brush and simply running a spoolie so that the color is well deposited and well separated. Now using the Lakme Insta Eyeliner, I'll simply be creating a simple wing eyeliner. Since this is a nighttime look, so it's preferable to do a wing eyeliner. It looks more glamorous. Do let me know if you want to see a wing eyeliner tutorial. Just a basic, just a normal wing. If you want, you can skip the wing and just draw a simple eyeliner. And now doing the same on my other eye as well. Now again using that same Lakme Kajal, I'll be doing it on my lower waterline as well. And now for my mascara, I'm using the Lakme Insta Liner. Since I basically don't like Lakme mascara, it's not waterproof at all and it takes a lot of time to settle. So I'm using the Insta Liner. It's much better to use as a mascara. So, but anyways, I'll be putting falsies, so mascara doesn't matter that much. And on my bottom lashes as well as on my top lashes. So these are the falsies that I'm wearing. I got these from Amazon. It was a pair of 10 falsies and these look very natural. Now dusting off the excess powders from my face, because now we'll moving on to the face makeup again. Now for the blush, I'm using the Lakme Absolute blush in the shade Rose. It has a dual blusher inside it. So I'm just swirling my brush all over and I'm simply be putting the blush on my cheeks. And now taking that same eyeshadow in the peach pearl. So I'm just highlighting it simply. Highlighting it on the highest planes of my face and on my brow bone as well. On the bridge of my nose I'll be highlighting. On my cupid's bow as well and on my chin. And now for my lipstick, I'm using the Lakme Enrich Matte Lip Crayons in the shade Shocking Pink. This is a nice pink color, and at this point we are pretty much done. And just to give a more edgy look, I'll be dusting some compact around my lips so that it gives a more edgy look to my lips. And basically the makeup is pretty much done. Using all the Lakme products, I have done this makeup. I hope you enjoyed watching. And yes, do let me know in the comments if you want to see some more one brand makeup tutorials, and I'll be really glad to do it for you.